Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tutorials, and in this video, what I'm going to be doing is talking a little bit about what's happened so far this month for Level Up Tutorials and what's going to happen in the next coming weeks. And I'm going to try to do these sort of bi-monthly level updates like I was used to doing monthly before, but what I'm going to be doing is talking about the upcoming Pro Series that's going to be coming to Level Up Tutorials, some of the new things that have happened on the site, some of the latest episodes of the Syntax Podcast, and basically just a roundup of everything that's taken place over the past couple of weeks. So let's get started right now. So in this level update, I wanted to cover some of the new changes and new improvements, as well as new series coming to Level Up Tutorials. So the first and foremost thing I want to announce is the next Pro series coming this month to Level Up Tutorials is going to be Pro Gatsby. Gatsby is a static site generator built in React, uses React Webpack and a whole bunch of stuff to build blazingly fast sites. So this is going to be a Pro series available later this month that's going to cover a lot of really interesting stuff on how to build a blog using Gatsby. Next, in the past couple of weeks, we've released a few episodes of the Syntax Podcast. If you do not know about the Syntax Podcast, this is a podcast I do with Wes Boss, where we talk all things web development. And in this podcast, we just released an episode on Wednesday called Designing, Templating, Inlining, and Sending Email, where we talk all about our processes for actually how we work with email on the web. And the week before that, we had an episode on our personal work-life balance, some of the things we like to do for fun. It was a sort of a light episode on not coding stuff, but a lot of useful things on how to balance your hobbies with your code. And then before that, we released an episode that was called a snack pack, where we answer a whole bunch of individual questions from viewers and listeners. We talk about CSS frameworks, React higher order components, render props, designers who want to learn how to code, and how to advance your career, and we get to mess around a bit with a soundboard. So check out the Syntax Podcast if you have not. We have a really great episode coming up next week all about working with media, whether that's images, videos, and all sorts of large files, some of our techniques and stuff we like to do for that. Now lastly, there's been some major improvements to the Level Up Tutorial site that just deployed today. The site is now fully server-side rendered. You can check out this source and see all this server-side rendered goodness in here. And that's not the only change. The entire site moved over to a new GraphQL data layer. That went up sometime in January, but it's been quietly improving ever since. So check it out. There's a lot of new stuff and improvements constantly going up to Level Up Tutorials. In fact, just today, I just deployed a big ol' update to the site. So there's going to be more and more updates coming very soon, all the time. The site just keeps on improving. Let me know if there's anything you want to see improve out of this site. And lastly, I finished a new free series called Full Stack GraphQL with Apollo, Meteor, and React. This series is 28 videos long of teaching you Apollo with Meteor and React, and it's going to show you a little bit about the basics of all of these things. And we're going to be building a nice little resolutions app with sub-resolutions, and meanwhile I'm going to be showing you user accounts and how you can work with GraphQL to take full advantage of all of the benefits in GraphQL. So check out this series. It's on the front page of Level Up Tutorials if you have not already. Also, today I'm releasing 2 more videos on my favorite React packages, a couple of cool packages there as well. So in the past month and a half, I've released 28 plus free videos along with a new What is Wednesday video every single week, and it's going to only continue. There's going to be a lot more free series as well as a brand new Pro series every single month. So if Pro Gatsby sounds like something you'd be interested in, head on over to leveluptutorials.com/pro, sign up to become a pro, or just hang out and wait for it to become available at the Level Up store, leveluptutorials.com/store. As always, this is Scott with Level Up Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any content in particular you would love to see me cover, please hit me up in the comments of this video. I am listening and wanting to know what you want to see out of this channel. So thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one.